Hello and welcome. In this video, we feature an amazing glamping built out of a 40-foot refrigerated shipping container located in Astoria, Oregon, United States. Welcome back. This adorable tiny home sits inside a 40-foot refrigerated shipping container to create 320 square feet of living space. The most significant design element on this house is the 900 square foot deck that wraps around the shipping container. The entire structure, including the container and the deck, are covered with a big gable roof, which gives the house a nice contemporary look. A double glass door opens into an airy living area fitted with a cozy comfort sleeper sofa that can comfortably accommodate 2 adults. The sofa can easily be transformed into a double bed to provide a comfortable sleeping space. Next to the lounge area is a kitchenette, fully equipped with modern appliances, under-the-counter cabinets, open-air kitchen shelving, a white-yard backsplash that brightens up the kitchen space, and a nice breakfast bar that can comfortably sit 2. The house has a spacious bathroom, well equipped with a corner glass shower cubicle, a modern wash-hand basin, a flush toilet, and a big mirror to create a feeling of space inside the bathroom. Opposite the bathroom is a laundry area fitted with a stackable washer and dryer. The pass-through closet features a luggage rack and a closet space for hanging your clothes. The floor is finished with beautiful floor tiles, which gives the entire house a sleek, modern look. From outside, the shipping container is painted black with the white painted door and window frames for a wonderful contrast. The heavily insulated roof is supported by wooden beams on top of wooden poles, and the roof stretches on top of the container to form wide overhangs, creating a nice covered outdoor deck, which also forms the entrance porch. The big covered deck is the most amazing space to appreciate what this tiny home can offer. The amazing deck provides extra outdoor space to complement the limited indoor living space. The deck is nicely furnished with different sets of furniture, ideal for outdoor lounging, outdoor dining, or just a nice outdoor space to sit and enjoy as you soak in the pristine landscape around the property. The outdoor fire pit is just steps from the outdoor deck and the dining area, offering a nice space to keep warm during colder nights. The exterior of the container is painted with a beautiful mural, which brings out a colorful and artistic side of this amazing container home. The outdoor wraparound deck is our most favorite space of this container cabin. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. This amazing glamping is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $79 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we feature amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.